In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Udemy videos. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the course player and look toward the bottom right corner of the video. You'll see a small gear icon that opens the player settings. Click that gear to reveal playback options. This is the same spot whether you're on a desktop browser or using the Udemy web app, so it's a quick place to check whenever you want to adjust how fast the lesson plays. When the settings menu appears, locate the playback speed choices. Udemy typically offers a range of speeds so you can match the pace to your learning style. You can select slightly faster options like 1.25x or 1.5x if you want to get through content a bit quicker while still clearly understanding the speaker. For a more noticeable increase, 2x doubles the playback speed, which is useful for review sessions or when the instructor speaks slowly. There are also slower speeds like 0.5x available when you need more time to absorb dense material or follow along with demonstrations. Choose the speed that feels comfortable and supports retention rather than just rushing. To make small, on-the-fly adjustments without opening the settings menu, use keyboard shortcuts. Press Shift and the right arrow together to speed up the video incrementally. If you go too fast or want to slow down, press Shift and the left arrow to step back down. These shortcuts are handy when you're testing different speeds or when a section becomes more technical and you need to slow things briefly. A few tips to help you get the most out of speeding up videos. Start by increasing speed in small increments so comprehension stays high. Try 1.25x first, then 1.5x, and only move to 2x if you still follow comfortably. Use captions if they're available. They can help when audio feels too quick. Pause and rewind when complex ideas appear, and consider rewatching short segments at normal speed if key concepts require deeper attention. Remember that faster playback is best for review and familiar topics. When learning brand new skills, balance speed with understanding. That covers how to change playback speed using the gear icon and how to use the Shift plus arrow shortcuts for quick control. These small adjustments can save time and make studying more efficient while keeping learning effective.